Robinson Crusoe. Robinson Crusoe tells the story of a young Englishman called Robinson Crusoe, who dreams of becoming a sailor and traveling the world. When his father refuses to let him go to sea, he runs away. After several misadventures, he ends up in Brazil and becomes rich. Soon, he decides to take a trip to Africa, but his ship is hit by a storm and he ends up alone on a desert island. With a few supplies from the shipwreck, he builds a house, a boat, and a new life. One day, Crusoe encounters people on the island. He discovers that they are natives from a nearby island with some prisoners. He helps a prisoner escape, who eventually becomes his servant and close friend. He names him Friday after the day of the week they met and teaches him to use his tools and speak English. After many years, a European ship comes to the island. Crusoe and Friday make a deal with the captain of the ship and he takes them back to Europe. After 27 years, he finally returns home to England.